Every time there is an inquiry for knee replacement, the first or the final question from the patient is, what is the cost of the surgery? Of course, a very important question. The cost of the surgery varies, and it can cost very low, for example 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and it can go up to 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. So what are the factors that affect cost of the surgery? Number one is the hospital where the operation has been carried out. Every level of hospital has different packages. So at nursing home level, knee replacement will cost you around 2 lakhs. In a multi-speciality hospital, it can cost you around 2.5 lakhs. And in a tertiary care center, it can cost you up to 3.5 to 4 lakhs. But again, there are factors such as implant and class of the patient. Implant can cost from 57,000 and can go up to 1,20,000. So that cost will be additional apart from your package. There are other factors like whether surgery will be carried out by robotic arm or robot, because robotic surgery or robotic assisted surgery will cost you anything between 1.5 to 2.5 lakhs extra apart from regular surgery package. So the cost of the surgery varies, and it is best to discuss this cost with your operating surgeon and get a clarity. So cost will vary from 2 lakhs and it can go up to 6 lakhs depending upon other factors involved. Thank you.